Hello, lovers. Welcome back to my channel. We're making our own wax crumbles today. Easy does it. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and please don't forget to visit our online store. I sell on Etsy, and these are the few of our products. More wax. This is a snap bar wax, whipped African black soap. These are the samples for our scent for wax melt. For acne skin, we have a black African soap, whipped butter, shea butter, and this is one of my favorites. This is dedicated to my mom, our hair products. Cream body wash, shower gel samples, small for traveling size, and we have a bigger size, and we have wholesale too. So if you want to see how to make yours, let's get started. To make wax crumbles, you need a hard wax. You don't make it with soft wax. I don't think so. You can try, but I don't think so. So it's either you use parasol and paraffin or paraffin by itself. So I use mixture of those to make it hard. So I'm going to start by do double boiler. The water is ready, and I'm just going to put this is I've already weighed my wax. This is 8 ounces of wax that I'm doing, and I'm going to use a red dye. This is from Flaming Candles. They're chips. This is red. It's really pigmented. And let that one, when that one is ready, I'm going to show us the rest of the stuff. The cutting board, we're going to need knife to chop our the wax when it's ready. Squeeze to stir the wax melt, and these are the trick. This is the show right here. So now, if you have a big container that you can make it one, that would be fine. When I saw this lady on Facebook making it, he used a big one that they use for cake, but I don't have it, so I'm using this wax melt. Normally, when people order something, I include that with the order free gift, and we are using strawberry shortcake fragrance oil for this project. It smells so good. So I learned this trick from our Chinese Bubble Babes Bath Company. So for your oil, it depends on what oil you're going to use. Check your direction with your supplier. So our wax mat is ready. The dye, everything is mixed, is ready. I just turn off the gas, and I'm going to put it down just like that. Check it. You're going to need thermometer too to check the temperature of your wax. You don't want to be too hot. When I check, it was 189. I'm going to wait till about 160, 70 to add fragrance oil, and I'm going to stir for about 2 minutes. So after that, I'm going to pour it. Like I say, if you have a bigger container, I have a bigger container, but that's for my soap. I don't want to use soap and candle wax together. So, and I want to make it. So I was just like, okay, I have this, I can use this. I use this to give people when they order wax melt, just like a sample. I always include sample with any order, no matter how small, big it is. I always include samples, and I always get a return match with that. So I just pour that, and that's a wax melt. So I'm going to get a bigger thing for this project next time. So I'm going to let it set. This is 8 ounces of wax that I'm pouring right here. You can see it's just like a jello thing, and it's still. I checked it again. This is my second one time that I checked it, and it's still jello. You can see you have to make sure that it's semi hard. So now I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready now. The day I make this is really, really hot in the city. I should have let you maybe wait about 2 more minutes, but it's all good. And I'm going to put the cover on top of the chopping board to make sure that's not sticky. Now I'm just going to unmold it. You can see the first one is really, really come out really good. The other one kind of really, really on a warm side. After I finished the video, the next one that I did, the second day, the weather was really cold. It just like a easy does it, just unmold easily. So after I unmold everything, I'm just going to start chopping. Again, I want to thank Bubble Babes Bath Company. I will put our information, a channel and information box if you want to check it out. So the next step, we're just going to chop it. Chop, 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 chop. You can see that it's really easy. I told our group on Facebook, like, I will do it. I will show you guys. So everybody's eager to watch it. I want to say thank you to everybody to watch it. I get a lot of compliment, like they want to say it. That is our group. Everybody likes everybody. We always help each other on our groups. That is a Stanley group on our Facebook. The guy is really nice. He is the first person that I see when I was about to embark on making candle, and he's always direct you to go to his Facebook, and it's really good. So after you chop, you can see it's still warm right here. You can see the texture even when I was picking it up. But when you first started chopping it, you might thinking that it's not going to work. It will work. You just chop it. Just continue chop. You can see now that it's semi-hard now. You can compare to the when I first started. You can see that it's really, it's ready. Now at this point, it's up to you how chunky or lighter you want it to be. I don't want mine. I want it to be like a crumple, like a granola bars, all those protein that is really chunky. That's what I want mine to be. I don't want to be too thinner or too finer. Yeah, so over here, I let it sit after I finish chopping it. You can see we have our crumble, isn't that? Again, if you have any kids, please don't put it where kids are. This strawberry shortcake smells so just like a real strawberry shortcake. So this is it right here. Yeah, this is it. You can see that it's hard now. It's ready. So now at this stage, at this point, it's up to you. How do you want yours to be? You want it to be finer? You want it to be chunkier? You want it to be crunchier? I think this is how I want it to be. It's really, really good, and it smells so good, amazing. So this trick is really good, much less than do it in a pan, in a foil. I see people struggling with it, and I almost gave up. Like, you know what? I don't think I'm going to include this with my line. But now, oh my God, I make more after this too. So this is later in the day. You can see that it's ready now. So I'm just gonna package it. I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and again, thanks to our the lady. I want to say thank you. That's the first one that I made. Lost Spell, and the one to my left is strawberry shortcake. May the Lord Jesus Christ continue to bless each and every one of us. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.